Whenever we are riding in the body, we want to think, how can we do it in a healthy, co-creative way that isn't codependent, that isn't limiting? And so take a moment right now, you soul rider, deep breath in, pulling yourself into your divine line. And think of one thing that you are aware of, that you notice that's positive, that your body has going on. Maybe your body's created a certain level of support externally, financially, romantically. Maybe your body is really strong. Maybe your body endures hardship, doesn't ever give up, even though you might want to feel like giving up. What is one positive thing that you value, love about your body? And maybe even write that down. And maybe there's multiple things that you love about body and what the body's created in the physical dimension, what it holds inside itself, how it functions. And then as you feel into how you value that about your body, then pause and explore the idea that that level of love, appreciation, gratitude for what your body's doing is actually the level of love, appreciation, and gratitude you have for yourself, for something inside yourself. You're simply projecting your own state of self-love externally onto your body. You're projecting how you hold love inside yourself for your own light onto your body or onto your outer world. And then take a moment and explore the idea that your body may love itself. So it's calling in that reflection. Or maybe your body wants to cultivate a level of self-love that you have that it does not yet have. Because remember, the soul rider is often ahead of the body in its evolution. So as you, soul rider, feel into how you are projecting your own self-love onto body, very compassionately, very gently, invite your higher self to connect with your body, Deva, at the level of its higher self, and very compassionately say to your body, body, would you like to cultivate more self-love? More self-worth, respect yourself more, retrieve your power more, be even stronger inside yourself. And you might be creating these challenges or these triggers or unhealthy behavior or self-critic because you want more love for the light that flows within you. So then you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, imagine that you've been holding this little bundle of responsibility for loving your body. We all do it. It's a program we came in with. You, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, hand that bundle to your body. Lay it at your body's feet. Let your body pick it up if and when it chooses. Body, I'm returning this responsibility for you loving you back to you at the level of your higher self. And repeat after me. Body, I'm returning this level of responsibility for loving you back to you. You have that capacity. That's what you're wanting more than anything. Body, I'm returning this responsibility for loving you back to you. Body, I'm returning this responsibility for loving you back to you. And your body might even get a little weepy as you, soul rider, return responsibility for loving your body back to you, the body. And then coach, encourage body to retrieve responsibility for loving itself. Body, explore the idea that that's what you want more than anything. Because when you love you, you're safe, you're supported, you're protected. Love is one of the most supportive energies. And so anytime we want to create more, manifest more, increase resources, bring in beloved, transform current intimate relationships or just relationships in your life for more love, body, retrieve responsibility for loving self off of everyone and everything, including Soul Rider. Body, hold responsibility for loving the light that flows in your divine line, the qualities that flow in your divine line. Body, weave a different vibrational fabric, grid around you that holds personal responsibility for you loving you. And then you, Soul Rider, every single day could say to your body, body, some part of you is retrieving responsibility for loving yourself off of everyone and everything. Body, some part of you wants to love the light that flows within you more than anything. Body, what is one quality that flows within you that's an aspect of your essence that you love? And then you, Soul Rider, think about how you may love particular aspects about your body and then take that inside and model. You love your light. You love a particular quality that flows in your own divine line. Model that to your body. Encourage your body to do it in its own unique way. And then you are holding this incredibly strong, coherent field that positively, empathically impacts your body. Then your body starts utilizing its creative energy to heal, to support itself, to create for itself. As you return that responsibility, it's also incredibly empowering for both of you. And it breaks the codependent cycle. Body, how does it feel to take total responsibility for loving yourself? Body, how does it feel to love the qualities that flow in your divine line? It might be new, it might be different, it might be a little anxiety producing at first. And then body starts to hold more awareness internal, loving that light that flows within. Body, what does it feel like to love your galactic self, your nature spirit self, your hybrid self? That you're from this world, other worlds possibly. How does it feel to love that aspect of you? And that you're expressing yourself here in the physical dimension. How amazing. Taking a deep breath in, balancing and stabilizing the fields, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, coaching body to hold responsibility for loving self.